This is truly a historic and proud moment. Today, Tuesday, July 14, 2026, Indian origin NASA astronaut Dr. Anil Menon is launching to the International Space Station (ISS) aboard the Russian Soyuz MS-29 spacecraft from the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan. While this marks his very first journey into space, Dr. Menon's path to the stars is paved with some of the most fascinating stories in modern spaceflight. Here are the most incredible and fun facts about him and this mission. 1. A match made in the heavens, the ultimate space couple. The Menon household is likely the only one on Earth where both husband and wife are astronauts. His wife, Anna Menon, made history in September 2024 aboard SpaceX's private Polaris Dawn mission, where she became one of the first private citizens to conduct a spacewalk. Now, Anil is taking his turn to head into orbit. This couple, through the Anna Menon Spacelate 2024, may hosted a live reading from the ISS for children at St. Jude Children's Research Hospital and her own kids back home. We read a children's book titled Kisses from Space. The sweet twist? Anil and Anna wrote the book together before her flight. Now Anil will be living and working in the very place that inspired their story. 3. From treating astronauts to becoming one. Dr. Menon is an emergency medicine physician who spent years keeping other spacefarers healthy before stepping into the crew cabin himself. He served as SpaceX's first ever flight surgeon, managing medical operations for the company's historic first crewed launches, Demo 2 and Crew 1. He's also a lieutenant colonel in the US Air Force, demonstrating a lifetime of service in extreme high-pressure environments. 4. Running a space pharmacy in microgravity. With dual degrees in neurobiology and mechanical engineering alongside his medical degree, Dr. Menon's research on the ISS is uniquely tailored to deep space survival, making IV fluids from drinking water. On future missions to Mars, carrying heavy bags of medical saline won't be practical. Dr. Menon will test technology designed to purify the ISS's potable water to generate medical-grade IV fluids on demand. Tracking blood flow. He will serve as his own test subject to monitor how zero gravity affects blood vessels and circulation, helping doctors figure out how to prevent cardiovascular issues on multi-year deep space journeys. 5. Rich multicultural roots. Dr. Menon was born and raised in Minneapolis, Minnesota, but his heritage spans continents. He was born to an Indian father from Kerala and a Ukrainian mother. Over the years, he has maintained a strong connection to his roots, even spending a year in India as a Rotary Ambassadorial Scholar to support polio vaccination efforts. Fast transit fact. Thanks to an ultra-fast 2-orbit flight path, Dr. Menon's Soyuz spacecraft is scheduled to dock with the ISS just over 3 hours after liftoff, a commute faster than most transcontinental flights on Earth.
If you enjoy